The first step to ranking your channel is to conduct keyword research. This means finding the search terms that your audience is using to find content like yours. By optimizing your videos with relevant keywords, you can increase your visibility and attract more viewers. Once you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your videos. This means creating compelling titles, descriptions, and tags that incorporate your keywords and provide a clear overview of your video's content. Of course, it's not enough to just have keywords and optimization. You also need to create engaging content that captures your audience's attention and keeps them coming back for more. This can mean incorporating humor, storytelling, or eye-catching visuals. Consistency is key when it comes to ranking your channel. By posting videos on a regular schedule, you can build a loyal audience that knows when to expect new content from you. This can also help with your channel's overall performance. Promotion is also important if you want to rank your channel. This can mean sharing your videos on social media, collaborating with other creators, or even investing in paid advertising to reach a wider audience. End screens and cards are a great way to promote your other videos and encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. By using these features, you can keep your audience engaged and increase your chances of ranking higher on YouTube. Engaging with your audience is crucial if you want to build a loyal following on YouTube. This can mean responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, or even featuring fan content in your videos. Analyzing your channel's performance is key to understanding what's working and what's not. By regularly checking your YouTube analytics, you can see which videos are performing well, which keywords are driving traffic to your channel, and what your audience demographics look like. This information can help you make informed decisions about how to optimize your content for maximum impact. Finally, it's important to stay up to date with the latest YouTube trends and algorithm changes. This means keeping an eye on new features, updates to the algorithm, and changes in viewer behavior. By staying on top of these trends, you can ensure that your content stays relevant and appealing to your audience. And that's it for today's video on 10 proven strategies to rank your YouTube channel and grow your audience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And as always, leave a comment below with your own tips for ranking your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.